Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. They say that first love never dies. So that's why we have Mageknight. Let's go! Okay, so we're looking at a few more Mageknight figures that we recently acquired via trade with Sir Chris here locally. Okay, so by the way, you can check out some of his stuff in MK Stuff in Facebook. Okay, so this one I traded some Heroclix for Mageknight figures, and in Mageknight I usually use the team Atlanteans. Okay, I think they are the main antagonist of the Mageknight lore, if I'm not mistaken, and they are like the technology based, the high tech, the empire of the lore. Okay, so please comment if I am mistaken because it's been a while since I played or even have a Mageknight figure. Okay, so you can see right off the bat we have here the big golem. This is who's this one? Oops. Corebo. Okay, so I'm trying to collect some of them because I want to make a diorama of my Mageknight figures. We have here the Technoprentice. Okay, I think there's a few Technoprentice here. 1, 2, and 3. There's some more here, and this is the hero version, I guess. The Karatep of Surok, also a Technoprentice. Okay, another one, Technoprentice here. And next we have this one. I remember these are the alpha versions, the Technomancer. Okay, and then a couple of Demi-Magus. Okay, the weak and the, I don't know what do we call the standard and the weak. Okay, let's just go at that with that. Okay, this is the Atlantean sword mage. Okay, he has a sword and a gun. That's a magic gun, perhaps. Then we have here the guild enhancer. Okay, staff is not straight. Then we have Combat Magus. I like it. He's doing the Kamehameha falls. And then the last items we have here are the Palm Magus. Ooh, Secret of the Palm. So there's something in their palm, like crystals to project the magic. This one is a bit different. He has an orange arm. I actually don't know why. Maybe it's because of the rarity. Okay, so but that's what we have. Okay, so again, as I said, this is just a quick unboxing of the trade pieces. Have you played Mageknight before? If so, please share your thoughts in the comments, and what team were you using. Okay, if not, then you might be interested to look into this. Okay, very similar to Heroclix with the click base. Okay, so yeah, bye bye.